ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar. Your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Kalimpong Ilakai District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Arajar Pusau bila penyat deka Office District Sports Officer West Jaintia Hills District ringkat gajingan trelang baka West Jaintia District Sports Association kelas Sdang hakashitrik jemang Arajar Pusau hambaran kiang nang ba Stadium Jowai. Hakini Kalimpong Ilakai kebalai sengilintar Ïashim Bynta haduh news pa prapunyo Ngut Khynnah shinrang bat kintay naki arpunyo tuli school nakaleng ke West Jaintia Hills District halaki jongki kerdan Ilakai ke bekintop naduka under 14, under 16 but under 18. Laplay kini Kalimpong Ilakai deka Additional Superintendent of Police ke West Jaintia Hills District ke Kongkrisensi W Lingdo ke Belalongkong ke Kongsan ringkat ke jingdon lang jong District Sports Officer ba Krobok Pasa Working President jong ke West Jaintia District Sports Association uba EMH Pasa Key Principal bekinong kay ni school beper.
Many of the students are no longer staying active in sports. In fact, rather than being active in sports, they are addictive to mobile phones, that is playing mobile games. When we talk about boys, if we refer to girls are being addicted to social media, be it Instagram or Facebook, which is in fact very discouraging. And what we have observed that many of the students now, since they are too engrossed with mobile phones, too engrossed in addiction or too addicted to mobile phones, now even they do not have that rational thinking. They do not, they tend to be very frustrated, they tend to be very angry, they do not know how to participate, they do not know how to interact with people, they tend to lose that. So my advice to all the students, please be active in sports, because if you stay active in sports, it not only helps you to stay physically active, but it also helps to develop your mentality.